So after round 1 of the All India Counselling, I was allotted AIIMS Nagpur after an All India rank of 1984 and 662 marks in NEET 2020. At this point, I don't even know how I survived 2 years of crazy studying, chapters and chapters of mugging up in organic chemistry, 2 times postponement of NEET 2020.
Human Resources Development Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal has today announced the dates for 2 major exams, the medical entrance exams and the engineering entrance exam.
Fast forward to today, I got an upgrade to AIIMS Patna. Getting AIIMS Patna wasn't something that I probably envisioned in the beginning of my NEET preparation. However, at this point, I was really desperate to get a 2012 AIIMS, and so at the end of it, I'm really happy. Looking into it, I was very impressed with its amazing faculty. One of them is from Howard. And research opportunities. So after round 1, I had to submit my original documents to get a provisional admission in my round 1 college. I have to go back to Nagpur to collect those documents back so I can submit it in Patna. I know, pretty tedious. So after all this travel, which is on its own very tedious, but thanks to COVID-19 has become even more tedious, on top of an already tedious counselling procedure, I finally came to AIIMS Nagpur. After all of the procedures, it was time to say goodbye to this beauty. Two days later, on 3rd December, I went to AIIMS Patna to get my final admission done there. I couldn't help but think when I went there that the next time I'll be there, it's going to be after me leaving home for 5 years. It's just happy, sad thing. And it might sound very happy and happening, but I've cried many times over the last few months about leaving my mom, dad, and my sister. Fast forward to 15th December, I have 15 more days. 15 more days left in my home after we were informed by 2 notices that we have to be there by 2nd of January, which is when our MBBS classes begin. See you in AIIMS Patna.